In this series over the next few weeks, I will be demonstrating the effects of different sized airburst atomic bombs detonated over different major cities around the world. The maps will show the following blast rings from a nuclear attack on Stockholm, Sweden by Russia. These rings are fireball radius, moderate blast radius, thermal radiation radius, light blast radius, as well as the estimated fatalities and those that survived but suffered injuries. The size of the bombs simulated will be 5 megatons, 10 megatons, 15 megatons, 50 megatons, 100 megatons. In this first example, we will see a 5 megaton bomb airburst over Stockholm. Estimated fatalities will be 557,730 people. Estimated injuries would be 637,740 people. Fireball radius would be 1.84 kilometers wide. Blast damage radius would be 12 kilometers wide. Thermal radiation radius, third degree burns, would be 24.5 kilometers wide. And light blast damage radius would be 33.8 kilometers wide. In the next example, we will see a 10 megaton bomb airburst over Stockholm. Estimated fatalities would be 630,090 people. Estimated injuries would be 459,630 people. Fireball radius would be 3.2 kilometers wide. Radiation radius would be 3.4 kilometers wide. Heavy blast damage radius would be 4.75 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 9.99 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 25.7 kilometers wide. Thermal radiation radius, third degree burns, would be 29.1 kilometers wide. In the next example, we will see a 15 megaton bomb airburst over Stockholm. Estimated fatalities would be 722,390 people. Estimated injuries would be 449,610 people. Radiation radius would be 3.63 kilometers. Fireball radius would be 3.71 kilometers. Heavy blast damage radius would be 5.37 kilometers. Moderate blast damage radius would be 11.3 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 29 kilometers wide. And thermal radiation radius, third degree burns, would be 34 kilometers wide. In the next example, we will see a 50 megaton bomb airburst over Stockholm. Estimated fatalities would be 1,214,840 people. Estimated injuries would be 367,570 people. Radiation radius would be 3.14 kilometers wide. Fireball radius would be 4.62 kilometers wide. Heavy blast damage radius would be 8.91 kilometers wide. Blast damage radius would be 20.7 kilometers wide. Light blast damage radius would be 54.3 kilometers wide. And thermal radiation radius, third degree burns, would be 60 kilometers wide. In the final simulation, we will see a 100 megaton bomb airburst over Stockholm. Estimated fatalities would be 1,147,080 people. Estimated injuries would be 653,620 people. Fireball radius would be 6.1 kilometers wide. Moderate blast damage radius would be 32.6 kilometers wide. Thermal radiation radius, third degree burns, would be 73.7 kilometers wide, and light blast damage radius would be 91.8 kilometers wide. Please hit the subscribe button to get notifications of new simulations when posted.